Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Walmart haul for you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into this video. I went to Walmart and I picked some stuff up, but let me tell you, this is by far the best products that I have found at Walmart. And that is why I am doing another Walmart haul. Some of these products, you guys, I am so excited to play with. I can't contain myself anymore. Okay, so let's just jump in and let me show you what I got. So the first thing that I got is this e.l.f. eyelash curler. I have been wanting an eyelash curler forever. I had two of them and I don't know where they went. So I just picked one up from e.l.f. because I like e.l.f.'s products. I'm hoping that this will be a good one. The next thing that I got is this CeraVe, I think that's how you pronounce it, hydrating cream to foam cleanser. I've been hearing everybody over on TikTok talking about this, and I have to try it. We'll have to see if it's any good. My daughter and my niece, they use the cleanser and the lotion, but their bottle is blue instead of green, so I'm not sure what the difference is. When I'm on TikTok and I hear people talking about a product that they love, I will go on either the Ulta website or the Sephora website or Amazon, and I will put it in my cart so then I don't forget about it. So in my Ulta cart, I have this product sitting in there, but I didn't place the order because I usually wait until I have quite a few stuff in there. But when I went to Walmart, I found it. It is the Tree Hut moisturizing shave oil. Now, this isn't the scent that everyone was talking about. I forgot what scent. I want to say it was like a coconut maybe scent that everyone was talking about, but I had to pick this up. I love body oils. I love any kind of oils on my body. I just love it. I'm such a dry person that my body just craves oils. I've seen this at Target all the time, but when we were at Walmart, my daughter saw it and she picked up some, and I also picked up some. It is from the brand Monday. I picked up the shampoo and conditioner. My daughter is currently using this. I have some shampoo and conditioner in my shower right now, so I'm gonna use that up and then I will start using this. But I've seen a lot of people on TikTok talking about this, and again, when I saw it at my Walmart, I had to pick it up. So I'm excited about that. So the next thing that I got is some cotton rounds. I like to use these when I am removing my eye makeup. It's like $2, I think, at Walmart. So the next product here, again, people on TikTok were talking about it, and I had this sitting in my Ulta cart, but when I was at Walmart, I saw it, so I picked it up. It is from the brand Frank Body, and this is their coffee scrub, I believe. Yeah, original coffee scrub. So I have used this before, years ago. I've used this. It has a very slight vanilla scent to it. The only thing that I don't like about this is that once you are done in the shower, you have a bunch of coffee grounds all over the bottom of your shower. So that's the only thing I don't like. The next thing that I picked up is from e.l.f. and I again saw someone over on TikTok. I need to stay off TikTok, I really do. Someone over on TikTok was saying that the e.l.f. Halo Glow in the darkest shade is a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury bronzing wand, and I'm like, I don't have the Charlotte Tilbury one, I have the Tarte one, but I'm like, okay, we gotta get it. We gotta try it out. This is in the shade Rich, I believe. So I'm gonna play with that. I'm gonna see if it really is a dupe. Does it work for a contour shade or not? And I will let you guys know if it does. Okay, so then I picked me up some of this. I bought this like so many years ago and I didn't understand why people liked it so much. But people on TikTok were talking about this and I'm like, okay, now I have to get myself some. So I got mine in the all skin types, even sensitive. There was a bunch of different colors and I just got mine in the pink. I don't know what the different colors mean. So the first one that I got is this coconut body scrub. Look at how cute that is. I see a lot of people over on TikTok making scrubs. I have even made my own scrubs. But when I saw this, I'm like, this is super cute. I got mine that says boobies on it. They also had one that said booty. And I'm not sure what else. It doesn't really have a strong scent to it. I'm gonna pick up just the littlest amount and kind of scrub it on the back of my hand. The only complaint I have, when I was at my Walmart and I was looking at them, they had a couple different ones there, but when you looked at the top, people opened it up and they dug their nasty little fingers in there to feel like what it felt like. So the only thing that I would suggest for this brand is to put a safety seal on it so then people cannot open it up in stores, because there's people out there that do that and I think that's just gross. Like, ugh. Why? The last thing that I got, I am so excited. I've seen so many people over on TikTok that make this and sell these, but I never picked one up. But I found one at Walmart and I had to get it. It's from the same brand as the scrub. This is, it just says hydrate on it. It says that it's a coconut and vanilla hydrating body butter. So like I said earlier, my skin is very, very, very dry. So I need all the hydration that I can get. And look at how pretty this is, you guys. This is so pretty. I'm not sure if you guys can really see it with my ring light, but oh, it kind of feels like frosting. So this has more of a scent to it than the scrub does, but it's still very, very faint smell. Okay, let's apply some on my hand. Don't mind the swatches. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, heck yeah. Do you see that greasy oil slick on my hand? That's the kind of lotion that I need. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Mama is gonna love this. That is everything that I picked up from Walmart. That is everything that I picked up from Walmart. For sure, this is my favorite Walmart haul that I have ever done. I am extremely excited about each and every product here, except for these. I just had to get a refill on it, but everything else, I'm excited to try it out. I will keep you guys updated on all of these products and let you know if any of them were a fail for me. But yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!